Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, including Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Gmail's scheduling feature. If this video helps, please take a moment to like the channel and follow it. And let's get started with Gmail. I got a very interesting question from a viewer of one of my other videos, and it says, can you change verbiage within the body of an email? Reason being is that I sent out an email to many folks and need to change some of the verbiage, correct my spelling. So the problem with this is that if you've already sent an email to people, you can't call it back. You cannot recall it. And because of this, this is why I always use the feature called Schedule Gmail. And this is how you use it. So I'm going to go to another Gmail account. This is a commercial Gmail account, but if you have a personal Gmail account, it works the same way, fortunately. I'm going to compose an email, and I'm going to just send it to myself, and I call it test. And instead of clicking send, I'm going to click another feature. Right to the right side, you'll see more send options. Click on that, and the option is schedule send. This is fantastic. You can select tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning. Sometimes it'll show this afternoon. Oftentimes what I do is I pick a date and time, and I'll select something like a week in advance if it's not urgent. And you can change the time here. You can even go further in the future if you want to, kind of make it look like you're busy or something like that. The reason why I like to do this is because if I need to, if I change my mind, I can correct the body of the email. I can add another recipient. I can do something else. And if you want to take a look at the email you've scheduled, there's a separate folder under here called Schedule. Just click on that, and here it is. And you can open it up. In order to edit it, you need to cancel the send. It'll pop right up so you can make some changes. Forgot to add, we have a meeting tomorrow. Okay, and then I can do the same thing, schedule send. So I've worked schedule send into my processes for writing emails. One reason is because maybe I'll change my mind. The other reason is because sometimes I don't want to send an email too late in the day. I want it to arrive the next morning. So I'll use the tomorrow morning feature. This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes and our Google cheat sheets available from in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow the channel. Signing off, and thank you so much for watching.